有冇人喺度而家？咁就我哋等起碼1至2個觀眾入嚟啦，我哋就會開始今日嘅講解。咁我哋而家都要準備一下我嘅功課簿先，我都要做功課啊，大佬。等下先。大家如果想嘅話，準備埋計數機啦。咁我哋而家確認下啦，有冇任何嘅觀眾係喺度嘅我哋58分準時開始，咁大家就俾少少耐性等一陣啦。OK， 咁我哋而家就正式開始啦。我哋今日嘅無雙50題 Algebraic fraction 代數分式，咁接下來都係會用英文解說嘅。Okay, then here's the first question. Simplify k over hk minus 7h minus hke plus 7h over h cubed divided by k squared minus 49 divided by 7h. So, here's what I need to do. I first copy the question once. 7h hk plus 7h cubed divided by k squared minus 49 divided by 4h. And then we reverse the denominator and numerator for the division part. Always do revision. Always do factorization with all of the numerator and denominator for your convenience, okay? How come my pen is... I can't write anything for my pen, okay? And then divide will become multiply. Multiply k plus 7, k minus 7 divided by 4h. And then we can do the multiplication, and it's quite easy, just cancel off the common factor. K plus 7, k minus 7, then cancel out. Finally, we can get the result. K divided by h and k minus 7 minus 4 divided by k minus 7. Multiply h in both sides of the right fraction, and we will get k minus 4h divided by h, k minus 7. And here's our first question. The second one. Okay, let me find a new pen for the upcoming question. Okay. M m squared minus 6m plus 9 divided by mn squared minus 2n the power divided by m squared minus 3m n minus 2n. Then we can apply the perfect square identity. n minus 3 is perfect square, and then factor out the n square, and we get m minus 2n. Then turn the division into multiplication, and then m minus 2n at the top, and factor out the m times m minus 3 for the denominator. Cancel m minus 3, cancel m minus 2n. Just simply 1 mn squared. Is that okay? Right. Then we need to go over the third question. The third question is a squared divided by a plus 2 times 5a plus 10 divided by 10a. Just factor out a squared, a plus 2, factor out the 5 times a plus 2, and divided by 10a. Cancel out the a, and then also a plus 2, and then we simply get 5a. Oh, sorry, I don't have camera, so that I can't display the information immediately. If you want to confirm the steps, you can watch the part of clips for several times. I don't have a good camera. Okay, and then change the subject of formula. 2 minus m minus 3 over n equals 5 over 2. As always, we do 2n minus 3m over mn is equals to 5 over 2. Oh, a bit wrong here. Seems that you need to n for the subject, so negative 3 over n is equal to 5 over 2 minus 2 over m, and then we do the fraction subtraction. 5m over 2m minus 4 over 2m, and then negative 3 over n is equals to 5m minus 4 divided by 2m. Reverse the fraction, and then negative n over 3 is equals to 2m. 5m minus 4. Multiply the whole equation by negative 3. And finally, we get n is equal to negative 6m divided by 5m minus 4. Next question. Question 6. Question 5, sorry. 7mn minus 14m squared divided by 10m squared minus 5mn. So, just factor both sides. For the numerator, factor out 7m, so n minus 2m. Second side, factor out 5m. As well as a negative sign, so we can also get n minus 2m. Cancel out the m and n minus 2m, so simply negative 7 over 5. Is that okay? And then the sixth question, 6b. Oh, I forgot to adjust my camera. Okay, I forgot to adjust my camera. Okay, and here is question 4. If you want to get a reference, you can mark it down and do it yourself. And I'm going to explain question 6. 6b plus 18. 3 divided by 3ab plus 9a. Also factorize. Factorize 6 for the numerator and 3a for the denominator. Cancel out b plus 3 and the 3 common factor. Finally, 2 over a, final answer. The 7th question. 1 divided by 6 plus 5 plus 2 divided by x minus 3. So, expand the fraction, and we can get x plus 3 divided by x plus 5, x plus 3, x minus 3, and then 2x plus 10 divided by x plus 5, x plus x minus 3. Therefore, we do addition, and then finally we can get 3x plus 7 divided by x plus 5, x plus x minus 3. 8th question. Let me adjust the camera so that you can see the question. Okay, it's just substitution. T equals to 2a divided by a plus b. When t is equal to 8 and then b equals to 15 is simply battery. Simply 8 equals to 2a divided by a plus 15, and then 8a plus 120 equals to 2a. 6a plus 120 is equal to 0, so that a is equals to negative 20. Okay, I need to speed up or else I don't have enough time. 9a. PQ equals to P over R plus 1 divided by QS. Make P the subject of formula. I transfer P divided by Q minus P over R is equals to 1 over QS. And then we factor out the P, and then 1 over Q minus 1 over R is equal to 1 divided by QS. Is that okay? And then so P is equals to 1 divided by QS times 1 over so R minus QR. Yes, 1 over QR, so we reverse, and then QR, R minus Q, we cancel out the Q, and then P is equals to R divided by S times R minus Q. And that's the answer for B part. Well, if Q equals to 8, R equals 12, and X and S equals to 2, P will be equals to R is 12, S 2, R minus Q. 12 minus 8, then it is 8 equals to 12 divided by 8 equals to 1.5. Is that okay? Next question. Question 10. X squared plus 14x plus 49 divided by 8x plus 56. So, as always, perfect square identity. X plus 7 square. For the bottom, factor out 8. So 8 times x plus 7. Cancel out x plus 7 and then x plus 7 minus divided by 8. That's the answer. The 11th question. 4a squared minus 8ab divided by 8ab minus 16b squared. Always factorization. Always do factorization and you will get the answer, okay? Factor out 8b for bottom and then both sides will have a minus 2b cancelled out. 4 and 8 common factor cancel out and then a divided by 2b. That's our answer. Okay, next question. 3 divided by 8a minus 1 over b is equal to b over 6a. So make a the subject of formula. We multiply the whole equation by 24a, which is the LCM of xa and 6a. So when we multiply, it will become 9a minus 24a divided by b is equals to 4ab. And then we move everything to the left. And then we'll have minus 4ab equals to 0. We factor out the a. Factor out the a. So we have 9 minus 24 over b minus 4b equals 0. Finally, a is equals to we divide both sides by this. So a is equals to 0. Seems I have something that I did wrong. 4ab, 9a, and then 24a divided by b. b is equals to 0. Oh, no problem here. Just a is equals to 0. Yeah, no problem. Okay, next question. Question 30. mn divided by mn minus 2m squared times 2m minus n divided by n cubed. And then always do factorization. Factor out the m times n minus 2m times negative n minus 2m and then n squared. Cancel out n minus 2m, m and m cancel out, n and n squared reduce the power to 2. So negative 1 over n squared. Is it okay? Next question. Given that y is equals to 4 times ax plus 2bx and then substitute a lot of values. Just substitute the values and it's quite simple. When a is equal to negative 6, b is equals to 4, y is equals to 24. So 24 is equals to 24 is equals to 4 brackets. Negative 6 times 4 plus 2 times 4 times x times 4 times x times 4 times x. Then we will have 24 equals to 2x 8x and therefore x is equals to 3. Question 15. Question 15. Simplify 3 plus 2y minus 2 divided by y minus 2 times xy minus x. As always, do factorization, and then we will have equals to 3 plus 2 times y minus 2 divided by y minus 2 times xy. Factorize the x, so y minus x. X and x cancel, y minus 2 cancel. And then we will get plus 2y divided by y minus x. Just transform the 3 into the form of y minus x fraction. And then we can add them together. Finally, 5y minus 3x divided by y minus x is our final answer. Number 16. Make s the subject of formula. Again, subject of formula. Then we first expand the polynomials because it's in the factorized form. We first copy down the question. And then 28 plus 14t minus 4s is equals to 3s plus 3t. Just expand it. And then we do the transformation. We move the 3s into the left, so minus 7s. Minus 3t, so plus 11t on the left. And 28, nothing changed. And then we are asked to make s the subject of formula. So move everything to the right. So just 7s on the left and then the other all on the right. So 7s is equals to 28 plus 11t. So s is equals to 28 plus 11t or divided by 7, and that's our answer. Question 17. Make y the subject of the formula. Okay, so when x is equal to 2y times x plus 3y, and y, oh, we have the y here. Let me think. We reverse the fraction, so 1 over x is equals to x plus 3y, all divided by 2y. And then 1 over x is equals to x divided by 2y plus 3 over 2. Because we cancel out the y on the right hand side of the fraction, and then split it into two sides. Okay, and then we add the fraction together again, or I think when we add the fraction, is that okay? 3y, 6y, 4y. I think. Oh, I first move the x divided by 2y to the left, and then 1 over x divided by 3 minus 2. And then we subtract the fraction, so x divided by 2y is equals to 2 divided by 2x minus 3x divided by 2x. And therefore, x divided by 2y is equals to 2 minus 3x all divided by 2x. And then we divide x by both sides. So 1 over 2y is equals to 2 minus 3x minus 2x squared. And then reverse both sides and divide it by 2. And finally, we get y is equals to 2x squared 2x. Oh, no need 2x because we need to divide it by 2 again. So only x squared on the top. At the bottom, 2 minus 3x. And that's our answer. Question 18. Oh, simple question. 2a cubed minus 6ab. Or divided by a squared minus 6ab plus 9b squared. Again, perfect square identity. For the top, factor out 2a, so a minus 3b. For the bottom, a minus 3b squared. And then cancel the power, 2a divided by a minus 3b, and that's our answer, number 19. P. Oh, well, P is equal to 2 plus 4r divided by 2 q minus r. When P is equal to 13, r is equal to 5. 13 is equals to so we are told to find the value of q, so no value of q. So q plus 4 times 5 divided by 2, 13 minus 5. And therefore, direct manipulation again, 20 plus q divided by 16. So 13 is equals to 20 plus q minus 16, and therefore 13 times 16 is 208 is equals to 20 plus q. So q is equals to 188, and that's our answer. Just question 20. Make B the subject. Also subject of the formula. A is equal to 2b minus c divided by 2d. Subject of formula. Okay, so a plus c divided by 2d is equal to 2b. And therefore, we add the fraction together, so we erase a by the correction pen, and then a is equals to 2ab divided by 2d, and therefore 2ad plus c divided by 2d is equals to 2 over b. Finally, we multiply the fraction. We first reverse the fraction and then multiply the fraction by 2, and therefore b is equals to 4d divided by 2ad plus c. So this question ends. Number 21. Okay, let me change my page. Wait for a while. Okay. Oh, how come I had a lot of photo here? I don't know, man. Oh, I open the PDF file now. Ready, and we're starting right now. Question 21. 2 over n minus 3n equals to 5 over 2. Make n the subject of formula. So, minus 3 over n is equals to 5m over 2m minus 4 over 2m. Negative 3 divided by n is equal to 5m minus 4 all over 2m. And then finally reverse the fraction and then times the fraction with negative 3. So n is equals to negative 6m divided by 5m minus 4. And that's our answer. Question 22. Okay. Question 22. VCM of a circular cone. VCM of circular cone. In terms of pi, the volume. Okay. Just substitute when r equals to 6 and h equals to 10. V is equals to 1/3 pi 6 square and then 10 equals to 120 pi. So the volume is 120 pi cm cube. Okay, that's okay. And then we have B part. B part is equation when V is equal to 32 pi and then R is equal to 4. So 32 pi is equals to 1/3 pi 4 square and then h. 32 pi equals to 16 divided by pi. Sorry. And h. And then we just figure out h times what will equal to 32. Then finally, h is equal to 6. And then the height is 6 cm. Question 23. Factorization question. 3 minus 2q minus 3r divided by 4p minus 8q minus 12r. Okay. No change for the top, and then the bottom common factor 4. And then cancel out the whole part, only 1/4. We done. Okay. Oh, sorry for not adjusting my camera. Question 4. Simplify x2y plus xz minus xy minus z over by x square y square minus plus xy z, and then always do factorization. When we have z, we grouped it together. Have y, also grouped it together. So for the first group is 1 and 3. So we factor out xy. And then x minus 1. Also for the second group, plus factor out z and then also x minus 1. For the second group, we also factor out xy and then xy minus z. Is that okay? Factor out. Okay, all of them are correct. So we combine the fraction and see xy plus z x minus 1 xy plus z xy plus z xz plus xz minus z plus minus xy plus z xy minus plus z. Oh, I copied something wrong. It should be plus z, not minus z. So xy plus z. We cancel xy plus z and all together x minus 1 is that's all. 25th question. Easy. Just do factorization of both sides. The top 12x. The top we factorize 2x. And then 4x plus 3y. For second part, 3. Also 4x plus 3y. Cancel 4 plus 3y. And then 2x over 3. And that's our answer. 26. Okay. Mn divided by mn minus 2m squared. So 2m minus n. And then it seems deja vu. I've seen it before. Why there are so many questions that I've seen it before? Mn, we factor out minus m and 2m minus n for convenience. Second fraction, 2m minus n divided by n, 2m minus n cancel, m cancel, n change the power to 2, so negative 1 over n squared. That's our answer. Again this question. So question 27, 3 over 8a minus 1 over b equals to b divided by 6a. Both sides 24a multiply. And then over b. And then we move the fraction to the left. So minus 4ab is equals to 0. Factor out the a. Factor out the a. That's b a. Yeah, factor out the a. And then 9 minus 24 over b. Minus 4b equals to 0. And then a just simply equals to 0. Question 28. X squared plus 14x plus 49. Also 8x plus 56. Do factorization. Perfect square identity. X plus 7 squared. 8 times x plus 7. Cancel the power. X plus 7 divided by 8. Also the question appeared in the first 20s. Question 29. 3k minus 3 divided by hk plus k squared times h plus k, k minus 1. Let's do factorization. Factorize 3, so 3 times 8, k minus 1. Factorize k, so k plus k take k times h plus k. The second fraction, no change, just cancelled out. And then 3 over k, that's our answer. 13 question, x squared minus 9, and then 5x plus 15. So x plus 3, x minus 3, 5 times x plus 3, cancel out x plus 3, x minus 3 divided by 5. That's our answer. Okay. Can you see the question clearly? 又係無雙啊 OK， 我哋question 30 question 30 oh 31 4x minus 2xy 5xy minus 10x, and then we do factorization. 2x on the top and then 2x minus y. Bottom, negative 5x and then also 2x minus y. Cancel out x and 2x minus y, and finally negative 2 over 5. That's our answer. Okay, 32 question. Wow, a quite complicated question for changing the subject. Equals to 1 over 2. And make R the subject of formula. So factor out the r. Factor out the r, and then we have 2 over 3p minus q minus 1 over 2p minus q. All of them are equals to 1 over 2. And then we do the subtraction of fraction, and then the this one, and then we have 1 over 6p minus q r equals to 1 over 2, and therefore r is simply just equals to 6p minus q over 2, cancel common factor, so just 3 times p minus q. Is that okay? So we continue. 33. So 12mn 4n plus 8 divided by 3m minus 9m squared, and then over n minus 3mn. Always factorization. First fraction, top no change, bottom factor 4 n minus 2, and then change into multiplication. For the top, we factor out 3m and move it to the bottom, so m minus 1 minus 3m. Yes, 1 minus 3m. For the top, factor out n, also 1 minus 3m. Cancel 1 minus 3m. Cancel out 12 and with 4 and 3. Cancel out m. So also only n squared divided by n plus 2. Okay, is the final answer. The 34th question. 1 divided by 2k minus 3, 4h minus 2k. Okay, so 2 and then 2h minus k, and then 3k. So just 2h minus k, and then 2k, 2h minus k. Make the denominator the same, and then do subtraction, 2h minus k minus 3k over 2k, 2h minus k, which is equals to 2h minus 4k, and then factor out 2h minus 4k, so h minus 2k. Oh, is that correct? Oh, correct. So the 2, we cancel it out, and then finally h minus 2k for the bottom, k times 2h minus k. Final answer. Question 35. When y equals to, and then a equals to 2, so 1 over 5 is equals to 1 over 4, and the minus 2 over b. And then 0.2 is equals to 0.25 minus 2 minus b, 2 divided by b, and therefore 2 divided by b is equals to 0.05. Is that correct? Yes. Okay. So b is equals to 40. 36. Wow. Massive question. Let me see. Area of the shaded region. area C R and R respectively. Okay. So actually C is equals to pi r square minus pi little r square, and then we factor out the pi out, and the r square minus little r square, difference of two square, and finally pi r plus r minus r. You know that's two different r as shown in the photo. BI question. By using the results of A, express C in terms of so if PQ is ACM, PQ is ACM, so R minus R divided by 2. Because A is equals to big R minus little r divided by 2, and therefore so R minus R is equals to 2A. And then R plus R is equals to A2A R is equals to wow, strange question. Let me figure it out. Give me some time. And then wow, C in terms of AR and pi. R plus R plus R R plus R minus R minus R divided by 2. A is equals to let times x is equals to R plus R divided by 2, and then x will be equals to R plus R2 divided by 2 R minus R. X is R plus R minus R. AR and pi, a tough question. How to solve this? AR and pi. C. So that then that's this and this. R square minus R lead to R square. And PQ to be A R. Yes. Radius. Yes. R is just R and then A plus. Oh, I know. Because R is equals to A plus R. So just substitute lah. Put this into the result in A. And therefore C equals to pi A plus R A plus R minus R, and therefore is equals to A pi A plus 2R. Oh, finally! The second question of B, make R the subject. C is equals to A pi A plus 2R, and then how to do A. Therefore, C equals to A squared pi plus 2AR. Make R the subject. So, 2AR is equals to C minus A2 pi, and therefore R is equals to C minus A2 pi divided by 2A, and that's our answer. Final question. When C equals to 27 pi, A equals to 3, R is equals to 27 pi minus 9 pi minus divided by 2 times 3, and therefore 18 pi divided by 6 equals to 3 pi. Equals 3 pi. Yeah, is that equals 3 pi? How come there will be a pi here? Oh, I forgot to do the pi here, so just add the pi and then 3, that's the answer. Okay. Question 37. I get rid of question 36 now. Just keep the photo if you miss this question. Sorry. 37, an easy question. 1 minus 12, 7xy, 3xy squared. Factorization, 4, 7y minus 3. And then factorial xy squared, also 7y minus 3, cancel 7y minus 3, and then 4 divided by xy squared. That's all. 38. Mm. 38. 2ab b squared times 2c 3b times 2a c3 cancel out, b cancel to b, and then c, and then c square turn to okay, nothing to cancel. So 8a squared divided by 3b squared c squared, and that's my answer, 39. X is z divided by y is equals to 1 plus 3 divided by x is z. So make y the subject of formula. And then we just add the fraction first. Finally, xz plus 3 divided by x squared is z squared. Xz divided by y. Okay. Oh no, x squared, x squared. Oh, I write it wrong. I just correct it immediately. Reverse the fraction. So, xz divided by xz plus 3. And then remove the xz and then x squared, z squared on the top. No change for bottom. That's my answer. Question 40. Oh no, there is B part. Oh no. There's B part. Okay. When x equals to 1, z equals to 3, y equals to 1 square, 3 square, 1 times 3 plus 3, so 9 divided by 6, so 1.5, that's my answer, easy. I show you question 40. Is it clear? Okay, that's okay. 4ab divided by 3a minus b divided by 6b over 9a squared minus 3ab. So, no change for the first fraction. Change in multiplication, and then top to the bottom, vice versa. Bottom no change. Top factor out 3a. So 3a minus b. 3 minus 3 cancel. B and B cancel. 4 and 3 is 12. So cancel and we get 2a squared. Question 41. Marks obtained. The formula is S is equals to number of correct answers 5m minus 3, 10 minus m, and therefore we expand the polynomial equals 8m minus 30. Just do factorization a bit. 4m minus 15. Is that okay? So B1, make m the subject of a formula. S is equal to 8m minus 30 from A. So m is equals to S plus 30 divided by 8. That's my answer. B2. Obtain 26 mark in the quiz. So if m is equals to 26, oh no, S is equal to 26. M is equal to 26 plus 30 divided by 8. So, it is equal to 7. So, he gets 7 answer correctly. (42) M squared minus 4m plus 4 divided by n3 divided by 2m squared minus 2m over m squared n plus 2mn divided by m squared minus 4 divided by m2n. Okay, just do factorization. First, perfect square identity, n minus 2 square. No moves for the bottom. Change into multiplication. Top to the bottom and then 2m times n minus 2 at the bottom. Factor out mn, so mn times m plus 2 on the top. Yes. So, the third one also change top and bottom. M plus 2, m minus 2, perfect difference of 2 square. And then no change for the top. M plus 2 cancel. M minus 2, there are 2, so whole cancel. The perfect square cancel. M and M cancel. N and N to N, so also cancel to the 1 power. And finally, we have the final answer, m squared divided by 16n. Is that okay? So 43 question. Mm. 20x plus 5y x minus y squared divided by 4x3 plus 6y x squared minus xy. Always do factorization. 5 times 4x plus y x minus y squared times x times x minus y as well as x squared 4x plus y. And therefore, we need to reverse the top and the bottom. So remember, turn to multiplication. Cancel out 4x plus y. Cancel out x plus y. Only one x minus y. X and x squared cancel 1. And therefore, we can get 5 over x times x plus minus y. So, 44. (15y minus 10a) 3x times 6x cubed 8x minus 12y. Do factorization. Factor out 5, so 3y minus 2x, 3x no change, times 6x 3 no change. 4 factorize 4, so 2x minus 3y. Cancel this and then give a minus 4 and then 30. Cancel this minus 2 and then 6 will become nothing. Finally, it will become negative 5 over 2 times x cubed. And that's my answer. Question 45. 3a minus 2b plus 4a divided by b minus 5. Make the denominator the same, and therefore we will change it into the form of denominator 2b. First, no change. Second, times 2, 8a divided by 2b. Final will become 10b divided by 2b. And then we will have 11a minus 10b all over 2b, and that's our answer. For question 46. 1 over a minus 4 plus 3 over 2a, which will be equals to, we make the denominator the same, so 2a, a minus 4 plus 3, 2a, 2a, a minus 4, and then we combine them together to become 8a divided by 2a, a minus 4, cancel common factor 2a, so final answer 4 divided by a minus 4, 47. Simple question, 47. M squared minus 6m plus 9, mn squared minus 2n cubed divided by n squared minus 3m, m minus 2n. Perfect square identity. M minus 3 squared. Factorize n, m minus 2n. And then we reverse the fraction because it's division. So m minus 2n at the top, no change. Factorize m, so m minus 3. M minus 2n cancel. M minus 3 cancel 1. And therefore, the final answer is m minus 3 divided by mn squared. That's the answer. 48. 48. Very easy question, 48. 16x squared plus 8x. 12x squared plus 6x. Factorize 8x at the top and then 2x plus 1. Also 2x plus 1, but the factor is 6x at the bottom. Cancel out 2x plus 1. Cancel out x. So 8 and 6, so we get 3 over 4, and that's my answer. 49. Just substitution. When a equals to 8, b equals to 4, c equals to 1. A squared equals to 4 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 5b. Yes. 64 is equals to 14 plus 5b. So b is equals to 10. Final question. Make a the subject of the formula. Minus a minus 3 equals to 5a plus 3b over 4. And then a equals to 5 divided by 4a plus 3 divided by 4b. Negative a minus 3. Move it to the left hand side. And then negative 9 over 4a. Yes. Equals to 3 over 4b plus 3. And then finally, a is equals to negative 1/4 b plus minus 4949 minus 4 over 3, and that's my final answer. Okay, this is the end of this warrior life. Here's the conclusion. When you are doing any of the algebraic fraction question, just do factorization most of the time. About 90% of such situation that will help you. If you like this live, please share to your friends who also studying Form 2 Maths or even GCSE or DSE. Give a like, comment below if you have any question or other topic that you want me to make video. Finally, turn on the notification and subscribe my channel so you will receive my newest information. So, goodbye, see you in the next video.